This guide will walk you through the steps required to apply for the Impact Programme. You will learn how to fill out the application form, attach necessary documents, and send the application. To apply for a free ElevenLabs Pro account, you must already have a condition that is permanently changing your speech, or has changed your speech, or has resulted in speech or voice loss. When you're ready to apply, you must first create a free ElevenLabs account by signing up at ElevenLabs.io. Sign up there. When you subscribe to a free ElevenLabs account, do not subscribe to any chargeable plans and do not add your credit card details to your free account. Once the free account is created, click on the circle icon at the top right of the home page. There it is there. Click Apply for Impact Programme. And fill in the required details. Some are mandatory, some are not. Remember, the program is only available for adults. Some impact partners only cover certain geographic locations, so be sure to add your location, and so they can check later. Click here to select a partner. Select the impact partner that is best for you. There are a lot of impact partners. In this example, we will select ElevenLabs at UCL. This partner accepts global applications for any condition that permanently affects speech and voice and results in change or loss of speech and voice. Check that your condition and your location is covered, and then click on Continue. Now, you need to choose your preferred email service to send details of your application to the impact partner. This will open your own personal email. You will need to attach evidence of your condition for the impact partner to review. Remember, ElevenLabs will never see the application or the documentation that you send because it's just not sent to them. It's only sent to the impact partner you choose. In this case, I selected default as my email service, but you should select the email service that's best for you. A pre-filled email will be opened on your own computer, tablet, or mobile phone. Add in the details required. So in details of diagnosis, I said, for this example, I have MND, ALS. I attach documentary evidence of my condition. This could be a document from your doctor or similar, but you must attach some evidence, some proof of your condition. Also, you need to add the name and email address of a speech pathologist or speech therapist working with you, or details of another health professional if you do not have a speech pathologist. Once that's done, click on Send. Then come back to the page in ElevenLabs. It should still be open, and you must click on Done, I've sent the email. It's at the bottom of the screen, so you're going to have to scroll down to see it. It's a green button that says Done, I've sent the email. You must click on it, otherwise your application will not be received and cannot be processed. Once all done, within a day or two, your application will be reviewed by the impact partner you have chosen and will either be approved by them or rejected, and they will give you a reason why. If approved, your account will be automatically updated to an ElevenLabs Pro account the next time you log in, and that's it. The process is complete.